Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to set up the personal door keypad code. This video should apply to second generation Ford Edges equipped with Ford Sync 3. So that should be, I believe, from 2015-16 to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now what you have to do, you want to press settings here on the main screen, and then you want to scroll to the left and select vehicle. And in this submenu, you want to press door keypad code, right? And now it's asking you for the factory code. Now you should get this from a dealer on a small, like a card size of a business card. If you don't have it, in the link below this video, I also recorded a video on how to get the code. If you have two key fobs, it's quite easy to get the code through the system. If you don't have two working key fobs, then you will have to do it manually and get under the steering wheel, under the dash, and there is a code on the back side of the fuse box. Okay, so my code is 73995. 73995. Okay. How would you like to edit the door keypad code? Add or erase? I would like to add a code, personal code, and let's say it's gonna be 13579 13579 and press enter. And this is how you set up the personal code. Quite easy to do once you have the factory code. If you want to erase the code, you will do the same thing pretty much. So first enter the factory code 73995, enter, and now erase the code. Yes, and now you clear the memory, right? And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.